How do we know that we're locals? What does it feel like? Feeling alone and aloof is normal for everyone in the digital and capitalist era. Not being heard and seen, covered with umbrellas of giant groups, makes us feel lost. We feel the Earth's crisis in our body: chronic stress, burnout, depression. The body is always local: eating, sleeping, walking, constantly communicating with others. Being truly disconnected is only possible in our thoughts. The body of every living being consists of living cells, which together form the play of living bells. A living cell has a specific energy, and in response to any external influence, it produces its own individual sound. The structure of the body is never predetermined. On the contrary, the formation of each body begins with a single cell, which divides and organizes itself in harmony with the unique developmental melody. How can we explain that two things so different in their origin, such as a bumblebee and a snapdragon flower, are physically constructed in such a way that they are ideally suited to each other? The reason is obviously that their developmental melodies mutually influence each other. The snapdragon's melody intrudes as a motif into the bumblebee's melody, and vice versa. If the bumblebee's body had not been intended to contact with flowers, to be floral, he would never have developed. What if progress is not to build civilizations? What if progress is learning more about others, feeling more about others, to develop in a more floral, animalistic, insectary way? We feel like locals when we have someone to rely on, and when we can support someone in return. The more we know, the more connected we feel. If you're feeling lost, find someone who feels just as lost, and support each other. In this way, you can transform the invasive way of being into a field of new opportunities.